So let's get started. I have kept a pot on medium flame and I have added around 2.5 liter of water. So into this I'll be adding 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, half-inch cinnamon sticks, 6 cloves and 6 cardamoms. So I'm going to add it into this. So I have closed the lid. Now I want it to boil. So I have kept the water for the biryani, and in another pot I'm going to do the yakhni. I'm going to add around 1 cup oil, 1 to 1.5 cup of oil. The oil has started to heat. Now I'm going to add 3 medium onions sliced, so let's fry the onions until golden brown. They have to slightly change their color and they have to turn a little brown. So this is perfect. I don't want the onions to caramelize too much. This is the perfect stage. 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste. So let's fry this well until the raw smell fades away. Two medium tomatoes chopped, finely chopped. Let's fry this. Now I'm going to keep the heat on medium. 1 cup yogurt, that is around 250 grams. So let's stir this quickly or else it will catch lumps. So this is perfect. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon you can add. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon allspice powder. Now let's stir this quickly. Extract of 1 large lemon. Salt as required. So let's stir this well. I have kept it on low flame. I have this finely chopped dill leaves, 1 bunch of dill leaves. This is the dill leaves. So I'm going to add this. I'm not going to add fully, little I'll be keeping it for garnishing. Stir this well. Adding the dill leaves adds to the flavor. It just enhances the flavor, and you can get rid of that too much of fishy smell in the biryani. So into this now I'm going to add my fish. I have taken king fish. This is around 1 kilo of king fish. Now I'm going to add this. I'm not going to turn the fish now. Now I'm going to cover this and I'm going to cook this for around 3 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, let's check the water. The water has started to boil. I had already soaked 1 kilo basmati rice for around 1 hour. Now I'm going to add this. salt as required. So to this I'm going to add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And I want the rice to cook 70%. So it's almost 3 minutes. Now let's check our fish. Now I'm gonna flip the fish. I'm not gonna cook the fish too much, as I want to make the fish cook on the dum. Believe me, this will not taste fishy. It will really taste very delicious. This is my family's favorite dish. And now I want this to cook for 3 minutes, and later I'll just turn off the flame. So it's 3 minutes. Now this is done. I'm going to turn off the flame, and my rice is also done. I'm going to strain the rice now. Now I'm going to remove all the fish pieces from this and just keep it in one plate. So I have separated the fish from this and I've taken it into one plate. I have strained the rice. Now into the same pot I'm just going to layer the rice. First layer I'm going to add the rice. Now for the second layer I'm going to add the yakhni. So I have added all yakhni. Now some oil is left, which I'll be adding it on the topmost layer. I'm going to place the fish. So I'm adding only 2 to 3 fish. Now again I'm going to layer it with the rice. So this is done. Now I'm going to add the oil, the remaining oil from the yakhni. I had some handful of fried onions. On top I'm going to add it. Now the leftover dill leaves, I'm going to add it on top. If you want, you can also go with the coriander leaves, but along with the dill leaves, don't forget to add dill leaves, because this is the very important ingredient for the fish biryani. I have the saffron and rose water. I had taken around 1 tablespoon of rose water and saffron powder. I have made a concoction with it. Now I'm going to just add this generously. And lastly, I have this melted clarified butter, that is the ghee, which I'm going to add. I'm going to add this around 2 to 3 tablespoons. So I have put the aluminium foil for it to cook well. So I'm going to cover this well, and I will just cook it on low flame for around 15 to 20 minutes or until the aroma starts coming. So it's 20 minutes now. The whole aroma is in my house. So let's open this and just peek. So this is perfect. It's blasting with flavors and aroma. So let's remove this into a plate. So this fish biryani is perfect, and now I'm going to add some fried onions on top of this, and lastly some finely chopped dill leaves just for the garnishing. So this is my fish biryani. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to share it with your friends and family and continue to give me your support.